Real quick, this is what I did. Has to do with the mirrors that came with my bike. So recently I bought these gloves. Climb Gore-Tex Windstopper gloves. Got a lot of good reviews, people saying how, you know, it's like 50 degrees and their hands are still warm. Well, I bought those gloves, went on a few rides during the wintertime, and I've noticed how cold my hands have been. So I went on a ride and it was like 56 degrees out on the highway. My hands were freezing. I couldn't figure out why, right? They're supposed to be Gore-Tex and they're supposed to stop the wind. So let me show you my bike right here. All right, this is a Suzuki V-Strom 800 DE. And they come with these wind guards right here. All right, they're not hand guards. They won't protect your hand, but they do protect it from the wind. And like I showed you earlier, this was the OEM mirror. Okay, so what was happening was when this was here, if you can look, it's like right on top of the grip, the handlebar grip. So what was happening was the wind's coming off the wind deflector and it was hitting the mirror. And what was happening was the mirror was deflecting the wind down straight on top of my hand. And I only figured that out because I was riding and I had to take my glove off. So I took my glove off and I was like, dang, why is there so much wind? I put my hand like right here and I couldn't feel any wind, but as soon as I put it here, I was feeling all this wind. I was like, that's why my hand is cold. And I figured out it was the mirror. The wind was bouncing off the mirror and coming straight down to my hand. So this is how I fixed it. Right, I got these Doubletake mirrors, and they came with the regular arm. And just so you can see, this is the original straight arm that came with the mirrors. But what I did was I found these arms, these ram mount arms on Amazon. Okay, and they're like these swivel arm mounts. Okay, they're double ball ends. A regular ram mount, but except this swivels right here, this bends, and this swivels. So I can go in either direction. I have more options on how to place my Doubletake mirrors. So now if you can see this, the Doubletake mirrors, I aligned them right above the wind guard. That way the wind hits the wind guard, hits the mirror, goes up over my hand. Tested it out, was on the highway today doing 70, 75 miles per hour. My hands felt fine. And it was 48 degrees out this morning. If you want to get the wind being deflected off of the mirrors, this is just another option of having to place the mirror further up or further back or further in. This arm just gives you a little more options versus the straight arm.